The Backward Treadmill Walk is a great low-impact way to protect your knees from knee pain. By stepping backwards, it places your knee over your toe, which is a great low-impact way to strengthen the muscles around the knee in the quadriceps, especially the teardrop muscle known as the vastus medialis. I'm using the S-Drive Performance Trainer Treadmill from Matrix, which is a manual, self-powered, and motorless treadmill set up at a 7% incline. You can also increase the intensity of the backwards walk by completing the reverse sled pull. To get started, adjust the resistance on the treadmill to a low setting, then adjust the harness belt to waist height. Lean back into the harness belt, then step back with one leg, striking with your toes, followed by your heel. If needed, you can hold onto the railing to help with your balance. However, I prefer to keep my hands free and allow my arms to naturally swing back and forth with each step. Once you hit your desired duration, stop walking to slow the treadmill down, then grab the handles and step off. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.